A client asked me if I delete my Amazon listing, will my ASIN change? And the answer is no. If you delete your Amazon listing, the ASIN will not change. And we have information right here that Amazon does store your ASIN forever. So if you delete your ASIN, it's still in Amazon's system forever, which means that you can get it back, right? And we even have this on Amazon seller forms where Amazon killed my ASIN. This person thinks that Amazon deleted the ASIN forever and they can't get it back. But yes, you can. So if you delete your ASIN and you relist it, it will have the same ASIN. It's the same product. Amazon never removes the ASIN. Everything should still be there. You can see, try adding the ASIN you deleted as a brand new product. Pick the correct category. Don't look for the ASIN in the catalog, but use the same ASIN and SKU as before. Everything should be preserved. So if I accidentally delete this listing, so let's say this listing right here, I go here, I delete it, or Amazon deletes it forever, right? I delete it. Oh no, maybe I forgot my ASIN. Now I want to recreate it. What you can do is you can go to reports, and you can go to fulfillment, and just go through your fulfillment reports, your return reports, your inventory reports. Your ASIN should be in there. That's if you forgot it, right? If you're like, oh, I forgot my ASIN, what is it? So again, get that report. You should have your ASINs saved somewhere. And then once you remember what your ASIN is, then you're going to simply go to add products and then go into here. You're going to go to the search and type in the ASIN. If the ASIN doesn't show up, that's completely fine. You're just going to go to blank form and you're going to click start. Once you click blank form and start, just put your product name in, whatever you remember the product name to be. So if I put that in, biodegradable bags, make sure it's in the right category. If it's not in the right category, it'll help fix it. Let's just say this is it. We're going to wait for that to confirm. And then what we're going to do is grab the ASIN. So again, you can check your reports. You can just Google your product. Sometimes the ASIN will show up. The ASIN usually starts with B as in boy. And then you see external product ID right here. You're going to put ASIN. Then you're going to put that in. And then you're going to go to next. And then boom, fill out everything. After you do that, after a few hours, your listing should appear into Amazon with the same ASIN, with the same product, with the same reviews that are as before. Everything should be there. Everything's preserved within Amazon, so you shouldn't have any issues. It is a bit difficult, but it shouldn't be an issue. If you need help, you can feel free to reach out to us. So yes, nothing's ever fully deleted within Amazon, at least not ASINs. And if you need help with your listing and you're stuck on Amazon, feel free to go in our description. We'll give you a free listing audit on how to increase your sales if your sales aren't doing well or your ads aren't doing well. Our team will go over all of your top competitors, top improvements like your first image, A+ content, what you need to do to improve your listing and generate more sales. We are happy to help. And that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Amazon account management service. This is what will manage your inventory, recreate listings for you, handle customer service, download all your products into a spreadsheet so you have them if you ever need to use them again or delete them by accident, or run your ads, deal with Amazon seller support, and most importantly, increase your sales. It's all about helping you work on your business, not in it every day. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.